Yes, nah man, believe we're back at it. So people, welcome to another video. We're out here again for another adventure. So today, but first and foremost, before we start the adventure and before I tell you guys what we're gonna be doing, I want to thank everyone that are reaching out for Daddy Irie towards a project that we are helping him to clean up his house. Right now I'm in the process of getting a truck, but I want to get a truck around the Portmore area, around his area, because it would be much cheaper. So I'm in the process looking for a truck and trying to get the price, and want the driver to come and look and see the type of how many stuff that he's gonna be done, so he can give me a price to move them. You get me? So you guys soon get update on that, so just stay tuned and watch the process. So today I'm heading out to Spanish Bridge again. You get me? You remember when we got Spanish Bridge, me and Pojo? So today I'm heading out there with a subscriber, first time in Jamaica. So right now I'm driving to go and pick him up, and then we're gonna head out to Spanish Bridge. We're gonna drive past Flat Bridge as well, so we're showing that as well. And we're gonna do some rope swing. You get me? And probably, if we have enough time, we're gonna visit Duns River Falls as well. So I want you to stay tuned, I want you to watch the process. And remember, if you guys are not a part of Nigel Yaman TV movement, just subscribe. It's free of cost, and you can join the movement, no cost. Free. All you need to do, just hit that red subscribe button. Yeah, and you are part of the movement. So I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Believe. So yeah, people. So guess what? Now I pick up my guest subscriber there in Jamaica for him first time, so we're gonna let him introduce himself to you guys, because today gonna be a banger.
Yeah man, big ups Nigel, bless up. I'm here enjoying Jamaica for the first time. I'm subscribed to Nigel's channel, reached out, he's been able to show nothing but love. We out here on good adventures, good vibes, good culture, good food, good time, no worries, enjoying ourselves.
Yeah. So yeah, people. So it's a vibes. Big up Corey to the fullest. Him kind of camera shy, but you don't know a thing go. I say go. Just when me just start vlogging, but the camera shy and thing, but. Big up Corey, his first time here in Jamaica, and we are making him have a blast, you get me? So right now, as I did tell you, we are head out to Spanish Bridge. So we are going to see if him brave enough to do the rope swing. Him say him brave, so we are making him prove it and see if him really brave enough. And also, as I was saying, that if I have enough time, we're going to do Duns River Falls as well. So right now, we're in at the Bagwalk Gorge. You don't know we're gonna go cross Flat Bridge. One big truck in front of me.
Get the truck.
So yeah, this truck I go cross Flat Bridge. So we're gonna see what going on.
Stay tuned.
Someone to stay tuned. Tell them again. Stay tuned.
Endless.
It's alright. And watch the process. Like a truck or a car drive off in the Flat Bridge. So
madness.
So
a
the
bridge with no rails.
Yeah, the bridge with no rail, flat
Big
bridge.
truck.
So they look like they're trying to pull it out. I see like a wrecker and like a crane right here. So this is how the water looks right here. So there's the wrecker up here. So we are driving go up and see what's going on. Drive him, drive up. Yeah. Yo, a car drive off the bridge.
Jeez.
A minibus. Cha. See that? So that bridge is not safe. You have to be a good driver, a skilled driver.
Nigel's a good driver.
To drive across that bridge. You see that bus in the water? Yeah. And also one of the divers was, when I was videoing, telling me to hold the steering good.
Eyes on the road.
Yeah, because he doesn't want to save me and Corina, so he's telling us to hold the steering good. Yo, yeah. Get to Spanish Bridge is not easy. The road is terrible. It's very, very bad. I'm gonna show you some of the swimming pool that we have to drive through to get around here. Oh, are you liking the journey so far?
Fire, more fire. Big ups to Nigel. He's a real driver.
Yeah.
I'm a professional driver in the States, but Nigel is a professional driver. Island vibes. Safe.
Yeah.
We're in the jungle now. The rainforest, the massive potholes.
As a jungle man. Yeah, so we're in the jungle. So we're
Countryside.
As a countryman. So we almost reach our destination, so we're going to lock in. Hold it. We're there. One and only. What going on, mommy? So yeah, we're there back at the famous Spanish Bridge. Look what going on. Believe it. You have to know how to do it. Where you ready? You think you can do it?
Madness.
You think you can swing off and jump off and swim across? There's no one here. When we get here earlier, there was a bike group doing some tours, and they just stop and have some fun. But now, me and my brother here, and we are gonna have some fun. Just we alone. After this, we think we're gonna do Dunge River. See the bike I come back with a different set here. So we're gonna tune in and make us see what goes on. So you don't know flat bridge, Spanish bridge. I mix it up with flat bridge because earlier when we passed flat bridge, we see a bus in the river. So them bike here, know them guess here go jump off. So let's see it. Alright, so now stay tuned.
2, 1, go.
Woo! Woo! It's cold, bro. Water cold. Yeah, it's cold enough, bro. Yeah, the water is nice. Spanish Bridge. I'm gonna go for the goggles and I'm gonna try and see under the water. Gonna see if I see any crayfish. So let's do it. Yeah, so we're gonna try the goggles underwater, you know. But now I put on the mouthpiece as yet, just the glass. Oh my look. Yeah. Let's go now. Gonna try it. I'm back.
Blessings. Big up Jamaica.
They would call you over here Tarzan. To the Tarzan here. The Spanish Bridge. So I'm going to swim off. Because I did have the goggles for me and it last. So the G I go swing down there to find it for me.
Let's get it.
Oh, one day I can do that. One day. Right.
Woo! Big up Jamaica, Ocho Rios, Spanish Bridge, Irie. Everything natural for me.
Yeah. Look at it. Woohoo! Yeah, that is it. You know, some more crack with it.
God's grace is sufficient.
Yeah.
Big ups way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
yeah. Yo.
Respect.
Yo.
Nigel next.
That take a lot of muscle strength to do that. That's
Strong.
Yeah, you have to be very strong. Do you lift weights?
Nah.
Or just
He
do
lifts
it.
people.
Just
I live ladies.
live late. Yeah. When you come, if you can't swim as ladies, no man though. You have to be a lady, and he bring you down there and bring you back up. He's crazy. He's talented. I can't do that. If I swim out there, I just jump off, just like.
Like so. Next.
All right. We don't watch the process. Right. Come up closer to me right here. People. So I'm gonna do it now. How do I do it before?
Hold on, it went
Every
blank.
time.
It went
No,
blank.
it's recording. See? So all the time that I come back here and I'm doing it over again, it feels scary. So ready? Set. Go. My heart is beating.
Take your time, brother.
Yeah.
Big man Nigel.
Big man Nigel. Ready, steady, go.
Hula. Yeah, man. Sheesh. Big man Nigel.
Yeah. That one was good. Yeah!
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man! Bike of girls that gonna be jumping off the bridge with no fear. And we're gonna be jumping off with a natto and with no care. So look what I go on. Spanish bridge for sure.
He got hard.
Alright, now you bend the knees and go when you get out here, you let go. You like to hiking or swing back and forth, alright? Swing, let go out there. Out there, like I said. Forward, you ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Let it go!
Yeah! That's good. Wait, say your turn next.
I'm here now. I learned.
You're going next.
Me, Diamond, Trump, remember when we got
How was it? How was it? Good, good.
you think I keep talking about it took me forever to come back?
Alright, so you was the lady you have to go with by yourself.
I'm going ahead. You ain't gonna be heavy on this.
No. Be easier for her.
Cool. All right, come on. Feel good. Go ahead, man.
Feel good.
Alright.
I'm encouraged. You got it.
Go ahead, boo. You got it.
If you do it,
If
my
you
little
do it,
sister
I'm
gonna
probably gonna do it.
Grab my hand.
Wait, is you getting her wet? You getting wet?
She got braids in.
Oh,
You get wet.
tell me.
Alright, who's that?
Oh, Shanti.
Oh, my heart beats so fast.
That's what I said.
Now when I say let go, you let go. Okay, you're gonna drop in the water, you're gonna leave me on the rope. Can you swim?
Yeah. No,
Mine up. Which one? Yes or no?
yeah, I can swim.
Okay.
Wait.
So now I flip around you.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Ready?
No.
3, 2, 1.
She let go. Yeah.
Brother, I'm trying to pull out shit like
Yeah.
Come boy, I travel like a cow, yeah. You know what I'm man, let go.
Yeah.
You get to what I brother?
Yeah, man. All right. All right.
I want them both. Pull in the tail later. I want the whole shit let go.
Yeah, yeah. Yo.
Okay, walk one step to me. You get in the water, right? Yeah. Alright, when I say let go, you let go, okay? I'm gonna step around you. Y'all ready? Bye-bye. We have touched the bridge. That is it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let go. Let's go, friend.
Good job, Cash.
Very careful there. He's coming back on the bridge.
Yeah, man. Way to the highest power.
Right over. Now look at you. Now look at you.
Fight.
More hands to the stick. Stick. Wood. Yeah. Alright, when I say keep your foot, keep your foot knees to your chest, okay? Ready?
Wait, is you coming with me?
Yep.
Okay.
So you don't want to get in the water, right? You don't want to get in the water? Ready? 3, 2, bye-bye.
Ante.
Right here. Sante, when I go in the water. Sante, when I go in the water. Right? Sante say water. Give me a hand. No.
You want me to
Sure. Talk to me.
Fully active.
Nice and stick. You want to get in the water or not? You don't want to get? Yeah. You don't want to get in? No water. Okay. So I think you just put it.
do it. You can do it.
Yes,
I
you can.
believe in you. You can do it.
Yes, you can.
Deeper. You got this.
Good words. Only good words.
Like you
Good
need to
thoughts.
close your eyes.
Everybody else said they had
When I
fun.
say put up, you keep your knees to your chest, okay?
Wait, I gotta see
Look up
this.
there. Look up there. Keep on looking up there.
Look at the trees. Look at the
Ready?
trees.
3, 2, let's go.
She did it.
Why you pressing?
Hey.
It was fun, huh?
That was the deepest holding of the breath.
Yo, Wayne, Alwyn have massive strength. Lot of hand strength that. What you say you go me G? Watch your boss you now. See your next big summer you know. Next Tarzan listen to people.
Come back, come back.
Yeah, come back. Alright, watch your Tarzan you now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah. That was sick. So your second Tarzan. Tarzan has Spanish with people. Yeah.
Long time.
Yo, good energy. Right.
Good energy.
Yo, that was crazy. Someday I'm gonna can do that. Believe it.
No fear, no fear.
Right? Really? I'm scared. Don't worry about that. Oh my God. Now when I say keep your foot up, you keep your knees to your chest. Okay? You don't want to get in the water, right?
No, I'm so
ready?
scared.
You kept
I'm so wait, come on, eat my chest right now?
Not yet. But I'm saying keep ready.
Okay.
3,
Oh
2,
my God.
1. Keep your foot up.
Oh, you carry one with you? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Big man. Blessings on blessings.
What are you on,
The bridge.
Say.
So it happened.
All the way up.
Darren, where your phone at?
Wait, I'm scared.
Hold on.
Where's your phone at?
Ready?
1,
3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.
5.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
No worries.
leg that time.
Oh, in the side. You got on Big Mama.
He can't have it. Look at him. He's struggling already.
Walk to me. No, right? Ready?
All the way up.
Go. Hey, Jamaican reindeer.
Come on, go. Really? I'll let my kids go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yes, no, man.
Yeah, you're gonna float. And then you can stand up once Whoa. Yeah. Woo. That's where I'm coming from.
Jamaican reindeer. We can curry that one here, you know. Some curry goat. White rice. So, people, right now we just finished up Spanish Bridge. Beer in a fall, not watch right now. And I really hungry, so I'm gonna get some KFC chicken. But my bro right here say,
Vital is vital. Everything natural for me to a certain extent, a certain degree.
yeah.
So have at it. You know, we're at the infamous KFC. You know, why not?
Yeah.
But I'm cool. Do your thing.
Yeah, man. So he's vital and vital. He's Rasta, man. So I want some chicken. So I go get some KFC chicken. I'm gonna share it with the Rasta.
Yardy, fresh out the country.
I'm gonna share it with my Rasta virgin right here. Him not no locks, but him have the beard and he's a Rasta man. So I get him some KFC chicken. I'm just kidding.
No worries, man.
He's not eating chicken. He's vital and vital. But me just get some chicken, make him see what KFC, Jamaican KFC looks like. You get me? But me gonna enjoy it and thing. You get me? So wanna stay tuned and watch the process. Believe no man, as a chicken man. Now people, I get my chicken and my fries. Looking at that. My bro say him not have no chicken enough. Look what my man have.
No worries. Do your thing, man.
Yeah. My man say him no want nothing with blood. Rasta man. Him say fire pan a chicken.
No good.
Yeah, but I said eat chicken and feel happy. But big him up, you see me? You get me? You enjoy yourself in Jamaica. You enjoy yourself in Jamaica, right?
All the way, fully.
So how was the waterfall? Did you enjoy the waterfall?
Not yet.
Not the waterfall, sorry. The Spanish Bridge.
All the way, fully active. Big up Wayne. Big up Nigel.
Believe no man.
Strong.
No joke.
No joke.
Believe to the fullest. So right now we're heading back in Kingston. I'm going to enjoy my chicken. So now go and stay strong. If you don't see me back, you don't know, so you don't see me in our next vlog. Tomorrow we got some waterfalls. We enjoy yourself to the fullest when you see that on another vlog.
Big up all the women who braved the Spanish Bridge also that came through on the four-wheelers.
Yeah, believe. So big up on yourself again and stay tuned and watch the process. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And hit that like button and drop a comment and tell me your thoughts. Alright? Big up on yourself. Enough love.
Fully active. Have no fear. Nigel's here. Eyes on the road.